For the first DIY, I'm going to make candy cane or peppermint themed candle set. So now these are fake candles. I made them to look like birch bark covered candle set or candle collection. This was Kirkland inspired DIY from my last year, and I use it very much in my decor. So we can switch it up or just jazz it up for the Christmas. I'm taking some pattern papers in red and white. So if you have the pattern papers, great. If not, just paint it. I just used some watercolor, some crayons. I made some finer stripes and made thick stripes using watercolor and the brush, and some polka dots. They're not difficult, easy patterns. Just make some different patterns in red and white. Cut them to the size and just glue them. Like this, I have just measured and cut them to the size for the length and the whole circumference. And all I'm going to do is just glue them onto it or tape them onto it, and they'll be ready. It will be just so easy as that. And this one will go onto this. So I'll have something like this. Ta-da! They look so pretty. Now these can also be, since these are fake candles, I don't really burn them because they're made of paper, cardboard and stuff like that, though I have added candles to them. One can even use them as pillars and use little votive candles on top of them and burn them, and they'll form candle holders and they'll look pretty again. For this DIY, I'm using this old creamer. It's a part of a set which is almost gone, so I just use it for decor. So take out any of your white crockery and you can use them. I just painted this white and I'm going to use it. So I'm taking another little strip of my patterned paper and I'm just going to tape it or glue it like this around the waist of this creamer to give that red and white peppermint candy cane flair to this. But what should we hold in this? Let's see. Now I have here a big pine cone. Now this is a size which would look very appropriate over this creamer. So I'm taking this pine cone. It's all natural, no bleaching, no painting, nothing done. And then I'm taking two satin ribbons in red and white. Again, the candy can or the peppermint theme. Starting from the top, I have just taken the two ends, the two ribbons together. On one end, I put them together and added a little tape there, which I shall tape it onto the top branch to begin with. Now I'm just gonna go and twist it around and go down gradually down the cone in a winding fashion. Making sure that both the colors show through, maybe add glue at certain points. And finally, when I reach the bottom part of the cone, I'm just going to glue the two ends of the ribbon there and cut off what is extra. So this is how it is so far. Now for the top, to give this tree a nice look, I'm taking one of the star ornament that I have and I'm just going to glue it on the top to finish this tree on the candy cane themed creamer. I'm happy to tell that my today's video is part of the Sweet But Twisted, the meaning of the candy cane DIY challenge. And through this challenge, I came to know the importance of candy cane. They are not just beautiful looking sweet treats, but they signify something more beautiful, more meaningful. And this challenge is hosted by Connie from Connie's Creative Creations and Zana from OK at Home DIY. So, with the beautiful message that candy canes give, I'm going to put links to both the ladies' channels and to the playlist down in my description box. I have made so many signs till today and they are so fun and easy to make. So I'm taking again a block. You can take a wooden piece of block or anything, store-bought mini canvas, anything you wish. It's all in white, so I'm not painting it. Otherwise, you need to paint it white. Next, I'm taking a bit of this patterned paper again and I'm going to glue it in 2 strips. So let me just half it lengthwise to get 2 thin strips. And I'm just going to glue them onto the 2 ends to give that red and white peppermint and candy cane look, and then trim off whatever is extra on this portion. Next, I'm taking a color pen in red and I'm just going to write my words here. Candy lane. I'm just going to thicken up certain portions of what these alphabets are just to highlight, and some portions I'm going to let them stay thin only. So this looks really nice once it's all finished. Just going over the same thing helps me correct some irregularities that might happen while hand lettering. So here I have a sign which says Candy Lane. Beautiful addition. So here are all my DIYs for today, and I hope you liked my take on candy cane or peppermint themed DIY ideas. I'm really in love with these candles, especially. They make me so happy. The tree is cute and so is this little sign. So easy to make, yet all these DIYs add a cheerful festive vibe to any space. And they would be perfect addition to any Christmas tier tray decor, vignettes, shelves or coffee table. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing for budget DIYs. Thank you so much everybody for being with me today. I'll see you very soon with another craft and DIY video. Until then, stay positive, be creative and be happy.